here are singing birdies. Oh, he's camera shy. Oh, Benjamin wants to say hello. He's on the phone with his mom. Yeah.
Okay.
This is Melbourne. He's very nice. That's Valentine.
I get you.
And on the left there we have Scooter and Polo. Yes.
I think so.
I don't understand. Oh.
You're saying it would be a week long, right?
Anyway, here we are recording the birds. Because Deborah is almost to Melbourne, Florida. Do you hear that, Melly? They are almost to your town. Yes, it's true. So Melbourne, tell us what you think. Are you named after Melbourne, Florida, or Melbourne, Australia? Camera shy, eh? Yes, we really like these birds. There's Valentine. Hey guys, Michael and Deborah are on their honeymoon. They're driving in Florida. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, they got nothing. There are Scooter and Polo. Hey birds. Yeah, I think they're just freaked out because I opened the door. Because this is a better shot than this. See? Yeah, see? This is better. Lots of hanging toys, though. Alright, birdos. You say goodbye. Oh, thanks, Scooter. Alright.